I step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move, dancing on.
Hi guys! So, good afternoon and welcome back to my magical world. It's 3:30 yan in the afternoon and today is May 17th of 2024. So, thank God it's our favorite day. Hindi pala favorite. It's just, we can rest. We can do whatever we want on a Friday night just because. Just because, guys. You know so well. Anyways, we are going to continue reading. So, all eyes and all ears on me. Yan. Dali lang. I'm simultaneously uploading. 'Di ba? Of course, we are multitasking as usual. Ba yan? Ba't parang ganito yung hair ko? May baby hair. Ano ba yan? Huwag nyo na yan pansinin, guys, ha. Pero pansinin nyo ako, ha. Kaya makinig kayo sa akin. We're still reading the book Arousal. We're almost done. So, we're going to jump to another book, which is a little bit exciting. Sana makahanap ako ng exciting book, no, guys? Or if you want to send me some books. Siyempre, wala pa akong details dito sa YouTube. So, anong gagawin ko? Nakakatamad maglagay. Next time, guys. Ha? Para may, makapag-request kayo sa akin ng, for our reading session. Since, milyones na yung, viewers. Soon kayo naman. Ano kayo, guys? Kanig kayo. Okay, so, we're on to number 8. Game, A Perfumed History. Medyo feel at home tayo ngayon kasi later, tunay na guys, magja-jog na talaga ako. Like, I've been here and there for the last, even though it's weekdays, so I've been going into different dimensions. Ang dami kong busy tayo, busy. Ayan, going back. Focus, guys. Enjoying shared memories together is a wonder. Yan. Ulitin ko Game, A Perfumed History. Enjoying shared memories together is a wonderful way to keep the passion alive in your relationship. When we recall a particularly happy or romantic memory, our brain produces the same chemicals as it did when originally having the experience. Albeit, hindi ko alam guys paano to i-pronounce, at a lower level. So as a result, merely talking about your first date or the first time that you became intimate with each other can get the oxytocin flowing and increase your loved up feelings. And smell is an even more powerful sense. By creating a scent memory of your relationship, you may well find yourselves plunged back into the past, feeling just as smitten as when you first met, because scent is our most primal memory, one that can bring evocative flashbacks. This game also encourages both of you to think about the happy times in your relationship, which will only serve to bond you more closely together as a couple. To play, both of you have to create a memory from your relationship history in different aromas. You could use aromatherapy oils to conjure up the smell of the field of lavender you used to pass on a certain date. You could cook the meal that you first made for your lover to bring the memory of the evening flooding back. You could even buy fish and chips to remind you of the day you spent at the seaside together. Alternatively, you could use different aromas on yourself. Perhaps there was a perfume or aftershave that you used to wear on special occasions back in the early days of your relationship. Maybe you used a different shampoo, bubble bath, or body lotion when you went on holiday to a particular place. Wait lang, parang may dito nagagat. So, sana ba tayo guys? Bayang lamo ko na yan. Yan. To a particular place. Get creative and let your mind explore the scents that form your relationship history. You'll probably have a thoroughly enjoyable afternoon reveling in happy memories. Yan. Once you've both created your smell memory, you each have to guess which memory. Once you've both created your smell memory, you each have to guess which memory your lover is trying to evoke. The first person to correctly identify the moment in time that's been captured in aromas wins a sexual favor of their choice. We have a little article here. Focus lang kayo sa akin, guys. Tsaka learn to slow down things, okay? So, yung video ko naman, this is very, real time, on point, as much as possible. I'm trying to post it agad-agad. Pero dito sa location ko, we are having a twinkle twinkle little star because our current, tama ba, current? Our power here is on and off because of the corruption. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm not really sure, guys. But yeah, somehow it's one of the factor. Or maybe they're just like used to that kind of system. Yung kinasanayan na. So, madalas dito yung brownout and blackout sometimes, di ba? And there's a typhoon. Anyways, going back here. So, kayo na mga nasa urban place. Which is, taga dyan naman ako before. Yan. Be, blessed, feel blessed. Yan. Feeling blessed kayo lagi, kayo priority agad yung ilaw nyo. Anyways, going back, guys. Totoo na, ito na. Stock for the 4 ideas. If you find it hard to recall any smell memory, simply go on a trip together to a house or hotel that you went to in the early days of your relationship. Every building has its own smell that tends to stay constant over time. Assuming, of course, there isn't a change of owner, and by choosing a place with happy memories, you can take advantage of the aromatic memories without having to devise them yourself. Should neither of you be able to think of any scent memories at all, create some tonight. Either make your own aromatherapy oil blend and give each other the romantic massages. Wear a particularly strong perfume or aftershave before making love, ensuring that your partner likes the scent before you spray liberally. Or go out on a date somewhere that has a very pungent smell. This could be a field of flowers in the countryside. It might be a French restaurant redolent with red wine and garlic, or a curry house. So many Indian spices have strong aphrodisiac effects. Then make notes so that you can recreate the mood whenever you like using the power of smell. So yung mga mga Indiano, very particular sila sa smell. But wala sila, guys. Siyempre hindi tayo pwede mag-comment ng kasi culture talaga nila yung Masarap kasi yung some of their spices, condiments I like. You know that I love condiments, guys. So basta masarap na type, hindi yung too much. Okay, so ayan, kamiss kumain. Maybe I'm famished again. So yan. We're done na, guys. Friday ngayon, so make sure to, sobrang nakakatamad. Pag Friday, gusto mo na lang humilata. But ako kasi, I've been out and about and everywhere in this world and dimension. So, I have to do some running. Some extreme running later. The weather is good naman. So, yeah, I could absolutely I have to make time to run. Kasi, I've been drinking coffee a lot. And alcohol. so ayan, guys, we're done with today's video. Ayan, thank you, guys. Mag-like naman kayo, guys. Ano naman yan, guys? Ang pindot lang yan. Like nyo video ko. Dami nyo naman dyan. Di man lang kayo mag-like. Like nyo, guys, at subscribe na rin kayo kasi bakit? Gusto ko lang. Thank you guys for listening and thank you for helping me make this world a better place for all of us and for the future generation. Syempre, bibigyan ko kayo ng autonomy. Pero dito lang kayo sa akin. Bye!
The floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right.